Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to archive all the posts in Instagram. Archiving allows us to hide all the posts from our profile without deleting them permanently. Let's start the video. First, you have to open your Instagram on your mobile phone. Here you have to tap on the profile option on the right bottom corner of the page. Now you have to click on the three lines on the right top corner of the page. Scroll down and go to your activities. Here you have to come in the section of content you shared. Here you have to go on the posts. Now tap on select. Select the post which you want to archive, or select all the posts if you want to archive all the posts. Now here you have to click on the archive option. Give them a confirmation and click on archive. As you can see, all your posts are archived. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and follow for more content.